If you are a course creator and author, perhaps you sell other digital products, or you want to make it selling online courses and digital products, then pay attention to this. I discovered a set of strategies and methods that I have been using to sell my own online courses and other digital products. I have also used it to help some of my students who are getting amazing results. Let me show you just a glimpse of some of my results. Look at this. On the 24th of December, you can see that if you count the number of students that enrolled in my course, 4 persons enrolled in the course, and if you get to 25th of December, you will see that 7 persons enrolled in the course, and on the 26th you can count that you will see 5 persons enrolled in the course, and on the 27th 2 persons enrolled in the course, and on 28th was amazing, there we had 10 persons enrolled, and on 30th you can see that 2 persons enrolled, and you can go on and on like that. Now if you calculate the result together, you will see that within a space of 10 days 37 persons have enrolled in the course, and each of the course are sold for $50. So if you multiply 50 by 37, that is about $1,850. Imagine if $1,850 can drop in your account in a space of 10 days. Is that amazing? I think it is. And that is not the end yet. There are other ones that I am not showing here. Alright? This weekend I'll be holding a live webinar where I'll be showing just a few persons more details. If you want to be among those few persons who will be privileged to have access to my webinar, all you need to do is to tap on the link in the description of this video or tap on learn more button to register for the webinar. Alright, see you there. Bye.